let's talk about this hair. Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Collette, also known as the Melanin Maven, and today I am going to be sharing with you on how I got this look. This hair is purchased from ywigs, and also I use the Xpressions Pre-stretched braiding hair. And yeah, I will definitely link everything down below so that you guys can see what I used, how many bundles I used, and how I got this look, how I achieved it. So today I'm just going to be showing you step by step how I installed these braids. It's just going to be like a quick video because it did take me a long time to complete this look. I've purchased this hair a few times from ywigs, and this is just the first time that I've gotten a chance to actually film it for you guys so you can see how I installed these braids. So yeah, if you are ready to see how I got this look, then stay tuned. Just finger parting my hair, that's what I usually do. I don't use a comb, so I just like a more clean look like this.
I wanna go Africa where the sun be blaze. Walk up through the savannah for the ancient ways. See the colorful market, smell the spices in the air.
Yeah, you guys, so this is the finished look. I really love this hair. This is my third time buying from ywigs, and I did use 3 bundles of the ywigs double drawn Burmese hair, and this is in 22 inches. I will link everything down below in the description box. I also used the Xpressions synthetic braiding hair, and it was in the pre-stretched line, and I used the 54 inches, and it was in the shade 1, which is a jet black. So yeah, I really love the versatility of this hair. It is so convenient and it just gives me the best of both worlds. It gives me that weave look without having to sit through installs and things like that, and it also gives me that beautiful braided look that I actually go for all the time. So yeah, braids are usually my go-to, and I really love the quality of this hair. I mean, look at this hair. It is so beautiful, so stunning. Like, I am so excited to be doing this review with you guys. I hope you all were very interested in seeing this review. And if you want to see more content like this in the future, please comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts are. Thumbs up this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.